नमस्कार साथीभाइहरू, तपाईहरुलाई फेरि पनि एउटा भिडियोमा स्वागत छ। अनि अहिले चाहिँ म चाहिँ राईगाउँ राङ्का ग्याङटकमा अहिले चाहिँ हामी जाँदैछु किराती रिसर्च सेन्टर। किराती रिसर्च सेन्टर हो। यसमा चाहिँ के कस्तो रहेछ भित्र त्यो चाहिँ हामी त्यसलाई एक्सप्लोर गरौँ है।
Mangkim visitors this way. Right now we are in Rangka and Rangka बाट चाहिँ भ्यू यस्तो देख्छ। यता पहाडी जुन चाहिँ देख्नु हुँदैछ दिस इज ग्याङटक। यो सबै तपाईको ग्याङटक बजार हो। यो जुन चाहिँ ठुलो बिल्डिङ देख्नु हुँदैछ आई थिंक यो चाहिँ इक्फाईको कलेज होला। एन्ड इफ आई एम नट रङ यो चाहिँ द न्यू एसटिएनएम हस्पिटल सोकेताङ त्यो हो जस्तो लाग्यो। अन्त यता माथि माथि तपाईको अल ग्याङटक है। इट्स अ ब्युटिफुल डे, ब्राइट सनी डे, त्यस्तो जाडो छैन। अन्त यो चाहिँ दिस इज द राई किराती रिसर्च सेन्टर रहेछ। यहाँ चाहिँ हिस्ट्रिजहरु बताएको छ राईको बारेमा। इट्स गुड टु नो। Paruhang Sapten Mangkim International Kirat Rai Linguistic and Cultural Research Center, and he is the king of Rais. यो बर्ड को हाफ बर्ड ताङ हावामा according to Kirat Rai Mundam, Tang Hawama mistook her brother Long Male, thought to be dead due to their beating. Grief-stricken, eldest sister changed her form into a bird by her Mundimi power, and she flew towards the mountain. Yo arko, according to Kirat Rai Mundam, Kiwama mistook her brother, thought to be dead, towards the plain side. And yeah, see, I think this is Rai Bhasha. Patisung, according to the Kirat Rai Mundam, Patisung was the scholar of Rishiwa and Mundam. He was the husband of Dilidungma and father of Tangwa, Hakima and Long Male. Okay, she is Dilidungma. According to Kirat Rai Mundam, Dilidungma was scholar of Rishiwa and Mundam. She was the wife of Patsung and mother of Tang Hawama, Kiwama and Long Male. And I think they are the sisters. Okay, Tang Hawama and Kiwama. According to the Rai Kirat Rai Mundam, Tang Hawama and Iwangma were the eldest and youngest daughters of Patisung and Dilidungma. Both of them had proper knowledge of Mundam like their parents. They could transform their appearance according to their will by their Mundam power. It is believed they started the weaving technology and making cloth in this world. Wow, very nice. And you say Long Male. According to the Mundam, Long Male was the son of Patsung and Dilidungma. Like his parents, he too had proper knowledge of Mundam and it is believed he was the first Mangpa of this world. Longmale started agricultural era in this world. Wow, very old. And Rinaka, according to the Kirat Rai Mundam, Rinaka was the wife of Longmale. Acha, usko wife. And daughter of Snake, god and goddesses Nagdev and Devi. She had the divine power to transform herself according to her will. Okay, that's why usko structure pani नाग टाइपको क्या है. Okay.
List the founder member of Parwang Saptan Mankin Samiti.
तपाईँहरू पनि रुल्स फलो गरिदिनुहोस्.
Keep silence.
It is a quarter, no entry. And this is the list of founder members of Parwang Sapten. Okay. It Indra Bahadur, Saling Rai, Mali Rai. Okay, here list is. I think who all contributed in building this temple. It was founded in 2019. There are some other members as well. And जो अघि तलबाट देखेको मेन राजा भन्दै थिए, he is the one. Yalambar. Yalambar is the first Kirat king who conquered Kathmandu Valley, defeated to Gopal Vansha and established Kirati kingdom. Okay, so it's the first Kirati king who established. Achha. And there's some story about the bird as well. So bird ko चाहिँ के छ? अब यताबाटको हेर्नु मुस्किल पर्दो रहेछ. पोसिबल छ भने तपाईहरु please remove your shoes here. Okay. I think this is Kirati calendar. Okay. And it says पूजा को सामग्री यहाँ उपलब्ध छ. तो सामान पूजा को सामानहरु पनि यहाँ पाइने रहेछ. तपाईलाई एसच ल्याउनु पर्दैन. Beautiful. That's a landowners. Land measuring 50 by 50 feet is donated for Parwang Sapten Mangkim by the following family members in the memory of their parents. Late Sarman Rai, Koyu father, and late Harkamaya Rai, Raptocha Changlingma mother. Name of the family members: Sri Durga Kumar Rai, Mrs. Fulmaya Rai, late Ashok Kumar Rai, late Meena Rai, eldest son, eldest daughter-in-law, youngest son. I think मेरो साथीले त भन्दै थियो उनीहरुको निनीले डोनेट गरेको भनेर. नाम मलाई सायद थाहा भएन. बित्नु भयो निनी पनि. So late Harkamaya Rai maybe हुन सक्छ. I'll have to see and confirm. He's Yalambar, first Kirati king. Drinking water. Some mountains. Silichong Hill. According to the Kirat Rai Mundam, Mama Sumina and Papa Paruhang were first met at Silichong Hill. Silichong Hill is a privilege.
Kirat Rai and many other communities. This hill is located in
Pradesh number 1, state.
Bhojpur community, Nepal.
Okay.
Salpa Lake. Salpa Lake is believed and worshipped as a sacred lake by the Kirat Rai community. It is believed that this lake has supernatural power to fulfill all the wishes of a devotee. This lake is pilgrimage holding religion important Kirat Rais and many other community. यो नि भोजपुर डिस्ट्रिक्टमा रहेछ.
Actually, त्यो जुन चाहिँ किङ छ उहाँको नाम चाहिँ यलम्बर रहेछ नि त. उहाँले चाहिँ फर्स्टमा चाहिँ काठमाडौँ कङ्कर गरेको रहेछ नि त.
Self revealed Mama Sumina river as
Mama
a
Sumina.
and worshipped as a earth goddess by the Kirat Rai community.
अच्छा मतलब
पैसा ल्याइएन नि
यो जुन चाहिँ
यो रहेछ है.
यो जुन चाहिँ स्ट्रक्चर छ नि यो के भन त यो पहाड इज कल्ड सिलिचोङ हिल
Silichong.
बुझ्यौ एन्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर लेक इज कल्ड साल्पा लेक हो एन्ड द सेल्फ मामा सुमिना इज रिगार्डेड एज द फिमेल गडेस सो आई थिङ्क सी इज द वान मामा सुमिना
Mama Sumina
is regarded as the female goddess and worship her as the earth goddess by the Kirati Rai community. And here is Papa Paruhang,
Sky god by
the
the Kirat Rai community.
self-revealed Papa. Paruhang is regarded as the male god and worship him as the sky god by the Kirat Rai community. Okay, and he is the one, Papa Paruhang. So, Papa Paruhang, sky god, and Mama Paruhang is the earth god. चुला ढुङ्गा
चुला ढुङ्गा कहाँ उसको बनाउन नि चुला ढुङ्गामा कहाँ राख्छ.
Very nice. Scary tiger. Kiwa. Papa Paruhang created the world and to look after his creation, he created Kiwa tiger. According to the Mundam, Kiwa tiger is the first eldest descent of Rai community. Okay.
सेकेन्ड क्रिएचर रहेछ उ चाहिँ.
Maksa. So the first creature Kiwi failed to look after the earth as desired by Papa Paruhang. So he created second creature Maksa. According to the Mundam, Maksa bear is the second descent of Rai community. Bass.
याङबी
It's a bass racer.
थर्ड
Yongbi, Gope bass. To make the world green and beautiful, Papa Paruhang created this third creation, Yongbi, Gope bass, a kind of bamboo variety. According to the
बाँसलाई
Mundam, Yongbi Gope bass is the third descent of Rai community.
plans to function his creation but none of them had.
Henkumba. Although Papa Paruhang created various creatures and plants to function his creation, but none of them could function the world as desired by him. So he created fourth creation, Henkumba, in a human being form. According to the Kirat Rai, Mundam Henkumba is the youngest descent of Kirat Rai community and the first human being of this earth. Acha, Nak Devta. And from the top it looks something like this. Ranka. This particular research center is located in Ranka. This is Kirati flag. And check this out. Gangtok view. यो चाहिँ तपाईको डोनर्स लिस्ट टु पर्चेस ल्यान्ड फर पारुहाङ साप्तेन.
हजुर
पज गरेर हेर्नुहोस्.
होइन
mustard oil making machine. यो चाहिँ ग्राइन्डिङ स्टोन चक्कीहरू पिस्ने स्पिनिङ व्हील तपाईँलाई यादै छ यो भाँडाकुँडा हो कन्टेनर फिल्टर ताँबाको वाइन मेकर पट्स वाइन बनाउनेले लगाउने दिस इज द मेजरिङ बास्केट दिस इज नाङ्लो ट्रे ल्याम्प मटिटेलले चल्ने म्याट अफ प्याडिस ट्रे मेकिङ प्याडी स्ट्र म्याट ब्याम्बो ब्यान्ड बास्केट टोको यो कतिवटा चिज त तर अहिले पनि स्टिल हामी युज गर्छौँ फिस ट्र्याप यसले चाहिँ माछा पक्रिन्थ्यो फिसिङ ब्रास बल ब्रास म्याट अफ सिप राडी चाहिँ
मैले पाँच लाख भनौँ तर यो छ भने चाहिँ अब
कम्प्लिट भएको छैन रहेछ स्लिङ सट कम यो हेर्नुहोस् inaugurated by Sri Prem Singh Tamang Gole. He is the Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim on 28 May 2022 in the presence of Sri Sonam Lama, Honorable Minister, Sri Rural Development Department, accompanied by Sri Jacob Khaling Rai, Political Secretary to Chief Minister, and Sri Mohan Dungmali Rai, President, Parwang Sapten Manking Committee. So, the entire structure says it looks something like this.